A Manchester man lost his life during an attempted abduction. Hi again and welcome. This is ll3d TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to ll3d TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll3d TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll3d TV News Report. The police have confirmed that a 27-year-old Manchester resident, Jermaine Robinson, was fatally shot during a confrontation with officers earlier yesterday. Robinson was among a group of 3 men attempting to abduct a female in the parish, but was challenged by members of the security force during an alleged escape. According to the police, a Browning 9mm pistol with 2 rounds of ammunition was seized. It was noted by the police that Robinson was out on bail on a charge of robbery with aggravation and was scheduled to return to court in September. The police report that information was received that a woman was being abducted by men in a Toyota Mark X motor vehicle and that a team responded. When the team arrived at the scene in Mayday Marshall's Crescent, Mandeville, they was reportedly greeted with gunfire. The police said that the fire was returned and one of the 3 men was fatally shot. The other 2 accomplices escaped on foot in the area. The police are continuing a search for them. The police said that the woman was not hurt during the incident, as well as the oversight body of the Independent Commission of Investigation are both probing the incident. This has been ll3d TV News Report. Thanks for watching.